Really excited to talk about this UI, how I made it, the process, my inspiration, and the materials that I used. Hi everyone, my name is Charmaine, aka Black Charmer. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do videos about fashion, recreations that I made, and DIYs. Today, I'm really excited to be back with another recreation video, again of a Dolce Gabbana dress, which I didn't know until I did a little bit more research, because I wanted to do a DIY based off of a Pinterest outfit that I saw. Really excited to talk about this UI, how I made it, the process, my inspiration, and the materials that I used. All right, so I figured I would show the dress in the beginning of the video, then more towards the end. So here she is in all her glory. Just to start off, the inspiration for this dress was definitely Valentine's Day. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so I figured I would do some sort of recreation inspired by love and romance, and what's not better than hearts. So I loved how the Dolce Gabbana dress had these kind of embroidered and applique hearts all on the dress, so I pretty much just wanted to replicate them. I think it honestly turned out really well. I was a little apprehensive at first when I was making it. I was like, I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I feel like once the whole look came together, it was like, mwah, chef's kiss. So now I wanted to talk a little bit about the materials that I used to make the dress. So first things first, wooden hearts I got from the Dollar Tree, which was really awesome because I was gonna buy some from Amazon and I was at Dollar Tree. Before I left the store, I looked and I saw little bags with hearts in it. And then I saw this big old wooden heart. I was like, yes, I'm definitely getting that. I got some rhinestones from Dollar Tree as well. And then I used extra rhinestones from Michael's and beads from Michael's as well. And the plastic hearts that are on the dress, they're actually barrettes that I got from a beauty supply store. I saw them, I was just going in there to get hair stuff, and I saw these barrettes and I was like, oh my gosh, those would be perfect on the dress. They're gold and silver, because there's gold and silver all over the Dolce Gabbana dress. And I saw these and I was like, what? Incredible. I was so excited. I just added a little red rhinestone to the gold ones because I noticed on the Dolce Gabbana dress, that one, the gold flowers had like a little red dot in the middle. So I've tried to just mimic that on the dress, and the actual dress is from Amazon. And if you want to check out where I got any of these items, check out my storefront, my Amazon storefront. It's linked in the description box. Everything that I used may not be on the storefront because, like I said, some materials I got at Michael's and Dollar Tree, but I am using my storefront as a way for anyone who sees something that I use to go there to find it. So anything that I see on Amazon that looks similar to what I used, I'll put it on my storefront. The design process of making this dress was really fun because I wanted to be a little inventive with my hearts, because I had an idea at first to use beads to make that kind of like flame look that the hearts have on the dress originally, but it didn't really turn out the way that I expected. The beads weren't really giving. So I was like, you know what? I think this is a sign for me to just kind of be inventive and be creative. So I just decided to make the hearts kind of in their own individual uniqueness, which I feel like gave it my own touch. Comment down below if there are any fun DIYs that you all are working on. I'd love to know. I have another DIY coming out very soon too, which I will definitely be sharing on my YouTube channel. I'm super, super, super excited about that one. And if you want to keep up with me, you can find me on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube at Black Charmer. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!